your mouth, shut them off. Stay with me today, then get some sleep, you know. Both you bitches pussy, I think that's a scissor. Nigga free, that mean I ain't gotta worry about no.
Shocked it. Wow.
Three strikes, choke him, lightning, they give him a quarter, earthquake, quarter.
Bedfish. That was awesome.
You got me drinking, smoking, I'm
Swim baiting.